Hey, you look happy today.
Really?
Yeah, you're smiling a lot.
Maybe because I talked to my family this morning.
Oh, that's nice.
I called my mom before work.
Do you call your family often?
Yeah, almost every day.
Wow, every day.
Not for a long time.
Still, that's sweet.
What about you?
I talk to my family a few times a week.
Do they live far away?
Yes, my parents live in another city.
That must be hard sometimes.
Yeah, I miss them a lot.
I understand.
Especially my mom's cooking.
Haha, moms always cook the best food.
So true.
What kind of food does she make?
Oh, so many things.
Tell me.
She makes soup, noodles, fried rice.
Sounds delicious already.
And her chicken curry is amazing.
Now I'm hungry.
Mine too.
So how many people are in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
Big family.
Not too big.
Who are they?
My mom, my dad, my older brother, my younger sister, and me.
Nice.
What about your family?
Mine is smaller.
Really?
Yeah, just 4 people.
Who's in your family?
My parents, my older sister, and me.
Are you close to your sister?
Very close.
That's good.
We talk about everything.
Everything.
Almost everything.
That's a lot.
She gives me advice all the time.
Older sisters do that.
Yes, sometimes too much advice.
But she cares about you.
I know.
That's important.
Are you close to your brother?
Yes and no.
What do you mean?
We fought a lot when we were kids.
Really?
All the time.
About what?
Small things.
Like
TV shows, snacks, toys.
classic brother and sister fights.
Exactly.
Do you still fight now?
Not really.
That's good.
We're older now.
People change.
Yeah, now he helps me a lot.
That's nice.
Last month my car broke down.
Oh no.
And he drove 2 hours to help me.
Wow, that's real family love.
I know, I almost cried.
Did you cry?
A little.
Uh-huh.
Just a little.
I believe you.
What about your parents?
My parents are very calm people.
Calm.
Yeah, they rarely get angry.
Lucky you.
What about your parents?
My mom is calm.
And your dad?
Not always.
Strict dad.
Very strict.
Really?
Especially when I was younger.
What happened?
He wanted me to study all the time.
The classic parent line.
Go study.
Don't waste time.
Exactly.
My dad said the same thing.
Parents around the world are the same.
So true.
Did your parents support your dreams?
Yes, but slowly.
Slowly.
At first, they worried a lot.
About your future.
Yeah,
Parents worry because they love us.
I know that now.
When we're young, we don't understand.
Exactly.
We think parents are annoying.
Yes.
But later we understand them better.
That's true.
My mom always called me when I was in college.
Every day.
Almost every day.
What did she say?
Did you eat?
Moms always ask that.
Always.
My mom too.
It's cute now.
But maybe not cute before.
Honestly, no. Sometimes I got annoyed.
Same here.
But now I miss those calls.
Family becomes more important when we get older.
Yes, I think so too.
Do you have any family traditions?
Yes.
Tell me.
Every Sunday we eat dinner together.
Nice tradition.
Even now when possible.
What do you usually eat?
Big meals.
Like what?
Fish, vegetables, soup, rice.
Sounds warm and cozy.
It really is.
My family watches movies together.
Every week.
Usually on Friday night.
That sounds fun.
My mom falls asleep every time.
Really?
Every single time.
Even action movies.
Especially action movies.
That's funny.
My dad still watches the whole movie.
And you.
I eat snacks the whole time.
Best part of movie night.
Exactly.
Do you have any cousins?
So many cousins.
Big family.
Huge family.
Wow.
Family parties are crazy.
Loud.
Very loud.
I understand completely.
Kids running everywhere.
People talking at the same time.
Babies crying.
Someone cooking in the kitchen.
Exactly.
That sounds familiar.
Do you enjoy family parties?
Sometimes.
Only sometimes.
They can be tiring.
True.
But they are also fun.
Especially during holidays.
Yes, I love holiday dinners.
Me too.
Everyone smiles more during holidays.
And everyone eats too much.
Oh, yes.
Who are you closest to in your family?
Probably my younger sister.
Really?
She's very kind.
How old is she?
She's 19.
Big age difference.
A little.
Do you give her advice?
All the time.
Just like your brother.
Exactly.
Does she listen to you?
Sometimes.
Only sometimes.
Younger sisters can be stubborn.
True.
But she has a good heart.
That matters most.
What about you?
I'm closest to my mom.
Really?
Yeah, I tell her everything.
That's beautiful.
She's like my best friend.
Laura.
She always listens to me.
Good listeners are special.
Very special.
My mom is a good listener too.
Moms are amazing.
They really are.
Did your family support your English learning?
Yes.
How?
My dad bought me English books.
Nice.
My mom watched English movies with me.
That's supportive.
We didn't understand everything.
But you learn together.
Exactly.
Learning together feels good.
It does.
My sister helped me practice English.
Really?
Yeah, we spoke simple English at home.
That's a great idea.
At first it felt awkward.
I understand.
But practice helps a lot.
Definitely.
Even small conversations help.
Like daily English.
Exactly.
Simple English is powerful.
Yes, you don't need difficult words.
Just speak naturally.
And speak often.
That's the key.
Do your parents speak English?
A little.
Same with mine.
My mom knows simple phrases.
Like what?
How are you?
Cute.
Thank you.
Nice.
And I love you.
That's the best phrase.
Definitely.
My dad says good morning with a funny accent.
Haha, that's adorable.
I never correct him.
Good idea.
He looks so proud when he says it.
That's sweet.
Family moments are special.
Even small moments.
Especially small moments.
You know,
What?
sometimes I forget to say thank you to my parents.
Me too.
We get busy.
Life becomes fast.
But family is important.
Very important.
I want to spend more time with them.
Same here.
Maybe I'll visit them next weekend.
You should.
Yeah,
They'll be happy.
I think so too.
Parents are always happy to see their children.
Even adult children.
Especially adult children.
Haha, true.
Do you remember a happy childhood memory?
What?
Take your time.
I remember rainy days.
Rainy days.
Yeah, my whole family stayed home together.
That sounds cozy.
My mom made hot soup.
Nice.
My dad told funny stories.
I like that.
And we played board games.
Simple but beautiful.
Exactly.
My favorite memory is camping with my dad.
Really?
Yeah, just me and him.
That sounds special.
We cooked outside and talked all night.
Wow.
I still remember that trip clearly.
Some memories stay forever.
They really do.
Family gives us many memories.
Happy memories.
Funny memories.
Even difficult memories.
But they shape us.
That's true.
I think family teaches us love first.
Wow, that's deep.
Haha, maybe a little.
But it's true.
Family teaches kindness too.
And patience.
Especially patience.
Brothers and sisters teach patience.
Absolutely.
So, do you want a big family in the future?
Maybe.
Maybe.
I want 2 children someday.
Nice.
What about you?
I want a small but happy family.
That's a good answer.
Happiness is more important than size.
I'd agree.
A loving family is enough.
Exactly.
This conversation makes me want to call my mom again.
Might too.
Maybe we should call our parents tonight
Good idea.
and say thank you.
Yes, even a short call matters.
Family members love hearing our voices.
They rarely do.
Well, I should go now.
Might too.
This was a warm conversation.
Yeah, I enjoyed it a lot.
Me too.
And to everyone listening,
Keep practicing your English.
don't worry about mistakes.
Simple English is okay.
Spike slowly
Speak naturally.
and practice every day.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone's.
Bye.